As it starts getting colder outside, we need to bring some plants indoors, like the geraniums, especially if we have them in planters. Geraniums thrive in temperatures between 60 and 70 Fahrenheit, which is 15 to 21 Celsius. But geraniums start struggling once it drops below 50 Fahrenheit, which is 10 centigrades. In containers or planters, their roots are even more exposed to chilly temperatures, making them extra vulnerable. I'm going to start bringing some of my plants indoors before we get any cold weather, although I still have weeks of good weather. If you're planning to take your geraniums before you get cold weather in your area, the first thing to do is, well, number one, notice the health of them. Like this one, unfortunately, is completely gone. I cannot do anything for it except probably using the soil. But anyway, this one was a little luckier because I had it in an outside pot. And whether it got water a lot or not, it still managed to have some water in the outside container. Before I brought them in, I sprayed the can, I sprayed the bottle inside and out, dried it, make sure that it didn't have any bugs outside. Same for this. And then I also had this pest spray. I sprayed the leaves, so I'm not going to be bringing any extra bugs to the house because I am very scared of the fungus gnats. I am trimming dead leaves from the plant and stuff from the plant. Everything that looks dried out or sickly, I'm cutting it. And to bring it inside, to bring the geranium inside, indoors, I'm going to be transplanting it to another larger pot. Check your particular planting zone to see what is the best time for you to bring the geraniums inside. But places more to the north might need to start bringing the geraniums and other plants indoors around October. This part looks like it's rotting or sick or something. It doesn't matter to me. It's gone. So, okay, I finished cutting whatever I was going to cut, and then I'm going to be moving it to a larger pot. See, I had it with a little bag, so it was capturing water, which I always like in case that the outdoor pot has a hole or if the water is escaping too fast. I live in a very dry area, so the plants having an extra support for water is a good thing. Having some special small little trimmers for this type of thing is really good. I love this. It's very small and you can reach all the little corners of any smaller plant. So for the size of upgrading the pot, this is a little too deep, but it's okay for the size update or upgrade because it's only about an inch bigger. And this is the type of size that I like. So we're going to move this little plant over here. I already have soil in the pot and I'm going to be filling out all the edges with more soil that has perlite so it doesn't get too soggy or any other problem. As I repot this geranium, I'm also thinking of either fixing, saving, or tossing away some of the plants that gave me so much trouble and some that I was guilty of not keeping a closer eye. I will be making a video about that, so subscribe if you're new around here to be notified when I upload more videos. Now I'm going to give it a good watering, and I'm going to put a bag under and have it sitting in a pretty bright window. If you want to see a video on how to propagate geraniums, click in the description box below. I made a cool video about it.